Greetings and welcome back to my channel Trisha Bakes. Today we're making a chocolate fudge cake with chocolate ganache. In my bowl with a sieve, I'm starting off by adding 210 grams of plain flour, after which I'm adding 315 grams of granulated sugar. I'm also going to add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 50 grams of cocoa powder. After giving everything a good sift, I'm going to set it aside and we're going to start on the wet ingredients. In my measuring jug, I've got 1 egg, to which I'm adding 80 ml of vegetable oil. I'm also using vanilla flavoring, 1 tablespoon, and 190 ml of milk. Even though I've sifted the ingredients, I'm still going to go ahead and give it a good mix with the whisk and then start adding the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. I'm also adding 190 ml of hot black coffee, which I've made up by using 2 teaspoons of the instant granules. After giving everything a good mix and making sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl to incorporate all the flour, I'm going to go ahead and sift the mixture again before baking, just to ensure for a smoother texture. To prepare the ganache, I'm warming up 200 ml of double cream with 200 grams of dark chocolate. Ideally, you could have just done this in a microwave. I just prefer doing it on the stove top. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Until next time, blessings.